Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a very special and powerful combination of using and incorporating DMSO into your skincare routine, and this is such a powerful combination and a method that I can tell you it will take your skin to a whole new level. It will give you the fastest ever results and a skincare can give. It will penetrate much deeper into your skin for whatever that you're using on your face, and honestly I can say this is the most powerful Botox alternative as a non-invasive method which can give you the fastest results comparing to any other routine. For this, of course, you will need DMSO. You will need a very pure and natural, best and high quality green tea serum, which I will tell you what is the best out there, and of course the right LED light therapy face mask. Please always pay attention that you need to consult with your doctor if you are under any medication before using the DMSO, because as you know, DMSO, it will have a double or triple effect of anything that you are consuming. So for the period of you are using DMSO in your lifestyle, you should understand whatever that it's entering your body is gonna have at least a double effect. So if you're under any medication, you need to consult with your doctor before going ahead and using DMSO in your lifestyle. Let me first introduce you to this amazing product. This is one of the best LED light therapy face mask from the company FOLOKE. Comparing to the other ones, it's got a very competitive price range and it delivers the very same results and even better. For this method, you really want to have a good LED light therapy face mask. So first, let's go and take a look at the one that I'm introducing you, and I'm using it, and see why it's good and why you should have one of these. And then we are going to go for the method. I'm going to show you how you can use DMSO for this particular routine to make a big change in your skin routine. Okay, why I'm telling you this mask is much better than the other mask, there are a lot of reasons. The first thing is the number of the beads, which is 72, comparing the other ones which they have 128. What does it mean? It means if the light mask therapy has 72 beads, the beads are more focused on your face and they get better results. It has the best single beam light source. It also has the best energy density, which all means better results and faster results for your skin. The light source is exactly what it should to be to deliver the fastest and the best results, which is 630 nm wavelength. What does it mean? It means it's gonna remove the wrinkle the fastest on your face. So if you're using any other random LED face mask, this is not going to happen to your face, so you're just basically wasting your time. This brand has the only brand that they have no eye harm report on their record. What does it mean? It means when you're using this LED face mask therapy on your face, your eyes are not going to basically cook while you are trying to take care of your skin. So this is really important. It comes in complete package and full accessories, including the leaflet, all the guides you should know. Interesting, it has a treatment card which you can keep track on your treatments every week. So it comes with 2 straps to hold the face mask. Also, it comes with a headband. It comes with a silky pouch for carrying your face mask wherever you go. Also, it's got 2 eye guards to fix on your mask so your eyes are protected. It's got the USB charger as well as the most amazing remote control, which I'm gonna come to this. So let's put this in charge first. I'm going to fix the eye guard to the mask and prepare the mask to use. Now let me tell you about this amazing remote control which I've never seen in any other LED face mask. It's got 4 modes which are great. It's got the power on and off. It's got a timer mode which you can choose between 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes. It's got 3 single light mode which is red, blue and combination of red and blue. And also it's got another mode which you can control the intensity and the brightness of your light therapy, which is amazing. You can make it stronger or weaker. The red light therapy is anti-aging, removes wrinkles, promotes collagen, tightens the skin and increases the skin elasticity. The blue light therapy is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, treats the skin problems such as acne and pimples. The red and blue combination therapy is great for acne, pimples, and it has the advantages of high efficiency, good results, and anti-scarring. Today we are going to incorporate the DMSO and the red light therapy of this mask for the maximum and fastest results in order to remove the wrinkles and tighten the face. Make sure your face as well as your hands are washed and clean and dry. I am using Dr. Circle Vegan Kombucha Tea Essence for this purpose, which is the best choice as it's free from any chemicals and completely pure and natural with best results on the skin. For the DMSO, we never want to apply pure DMSO on any part of the skin. In order the DMSO to be effective and applicable to the skin, we must dilute it. So here I have diluted it with the ratio of 50%, which means 50% distilled water mixed with 50% DMSO. So if you have 50 ml of DMSO, go ahead and mix it with 50 ml of distilled water. Make sure you use only distilled water for diluting DMSO and not any other water, as if there is any minerals and chemicals in your water, it will be also absorbed to your skin and we don't want that. Step 1. Go ahead and use a dropper, apply the 50% diluted DMSO all over your face and massage until it is fully absorbed to the skin. Then wait 10 minutes in order to skin be penetrated and be ready to absorb anything applied over. In order to use the LED therapy to make the wrinkles disappear super fast, this is the trick. After DMSO, apply the green tea serum. The studies have proven using green tea with red light therapy effectively makes the wrinkle disappear in 1 month. Now that we are using it over DMSO, it means we can accelerate this process 3 times faster thanks to DMSO. Once the green tea is absorbed, go ahead and place FOLOKE red light therapy mask over your face and activate the red light mode to the full intensity for 10 minutes. The effectiveness and performance of FOLOKE mask will make this process to actually happen. I love this mask because while it's working on my face, I can relax and do whatever I want, and it doesn't disturb me. I also use the blue light therapy for my teenage son, which suffers from hormonal acne and pimples and is working great. After 10 minutes, open the mask and your skin is ready to apply any natural products on to penetrate deeper in the face with triple effect. So guys, I have linked down the serum, the DMSO, as well as this mask for you at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment. You can go and get yours. You can see my other videos of DMSO and the methods of doing many things in my lifestyle in the description box of the video, as well as the first comment, which I share as a playlist. You can go and see how you can use DMSO and incorporate it in your lifestyle. Until the next video, take care.